Good afternoon to everyone. This afternoon we are going to learn words that ends in IPE. Now let's begin. Pipe, P-I-P-E, pipe. Please repeat after me. Pipe, P-I-P-E, pipe. Wipe, W-I-P-E, wipe. Please repeat after me. Wipe, W-I-P-E, wipe. Ripe, R-I-P-E, ripe. Please repeat after me. Ripe, R-I-P-E, ripe. On the bottom part of page 40, say, trace, and write. On the upper part of page 41, find, circle, and write. On the bottom part of page 41, track number 50, listen and circle. Number 1, ride, ride. Number 2, wipe, wipe. Number 3, pipe, pipe. On the upper part of page 42, track number 51, listen and circle. Number 1, 5, 5. Number 2, dime, dime. Number 3, ripe, ripe. On the bottom part of page 42, read, circle, and write. Number 1, the man wiped the pot. The man wiped the pot. Number 2, she has a big lime. Number 2, she has a big lime. Number 3, the dogs dive into the mud. Number 3, the dogs dive into the mud. In page 43 in the upper part, let's read the story. There is a hive in the pine. There is a dime in the hive. There is a pipe under the pine. There is a dime in the pipe. There is a dime on the pipe. Jane has a dime and Dane has a dime. There are 5 dimes. In the bottom part of page 43, let's answer the question. There are 1, 9, 2, 5 times. There are 1, 9, 2, 5 times.